So hello everyone, I am Fahim Abrar from Anushandhani Lab. Today I am going to show you how to install Visual Studio. First you have to go to their website and download the community edition. Then you have to open the installer. Click continue. Then it will download all the necessary data. After completing the download, you will see this dialog box. Then we need Windows Forms, so tick mark this one and then hit install. And wait for a while. Now we need to restart the computer. After restarting the computer, you need to open Visual Studio. It will take some time to open for the first time. You need to create an account to avail full version. For now, I am skipping it. Then you need to select Theme. Installation completed. Now you can work with Visual Studio. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.